What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Goodview Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video, we're gonna show the entries for this month's Cheapskate Challenge. The first one that we've got coming up is a set of cornhole boards. They are really cool. Check them out. Number 2 on the list is a very unique pot holder, or a pot and pan holder that sits above an oven so people can store their pots and pans in it. This thing is really cool. Check it out. The third entry is a nice modern river table. Check it out right here. And the last but certainly not least is another river table that has some Lichtenberg burning and some awesome blue epoxy. Here we go. Alright everybody, now it's up to you guys to vote, to cast your vote down in the comments below so that these guys get a chance at winning a t-shirt, a Goodview Woodworks t-shirt. So what I want you to do is leave a comment down in the description and say either 1, 2, 3, or 4 for whichever one you like the best. And then the next couple of days we will go ahead and see who the winner is, so that way they can get a really cool t-shirt from Goodview Woodworks to them. Guys, I really appreciate you participating in each of the Cheapskate challenges. You guys are awesome, and thank you for supporting this channel. So, as always guys, thanks for hanging out with us.